Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Asad Yaqub. And guys, get ready. If you find yourself reluctant towards Ielts, if you think Ielts has become very difficult for you, if you believe you cannot achieve your desired band score in Ielts, if all you see around you is darkness, no light, this video is going to be a ray of light for you. Good news, actually, good message. This can be the message of your life. This message can change your life. This message can change everything about you. Well guys, many of us are preparing for Ielts and sometimes we come across with listening, reading, writing. We find reading difficult. We can't achieve our desired band. Some of us have high band scores to achieve. Some of us have low band score to achieve and they don't reach there. So all this situation, the first thing is you need to start with a why. I've got this favorite book, Start with the Why. You need to start with the why. Why are you taking Ielts exam? And the answer is to go abroad. Ask yourself another question. Why do you want to go abroad? And the answer is to support my family. Why do you want to support your family? So that they become prosperous. Why do you want to make your family prosperous? So that my country becomes prosperous. Why do you want to make your country prosperous? So that the people of my country, they also enjoy the modern facilities. In the end, it's going to be your country which is going to get benefit from you. So guys, have you ever noticed? Last time there was the cricket match between India, Pakistan, Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka and other countries. They had their teams, and whenever there is a cricket match, we become overly excited. We become overly emotional. I mean, you don't even know how to throw ball and you become a cricket superstar. Our team has won the match. I remember when India won the match, many of my Indian students sent me the message, our team has won the match, and I said congratulations. And I still remember once Pakistan won the match and I received many messages from India, they congratulated me. I don't watch cricket at all, okay? But anyways, have you noticed one thing? You know, that patriotism, that love for your country, you all get united when there is something, when there is a cricket match. Ielts is a cricket match right now. You need the same patriotism, you need the same feelings of love for your country, for your people, for your nation, right? For the flag of your country and all that. And then you see there's going to be increased intrinsic motivation, and that motivation is going to help you, or it's going to work like a heat-seeking missile towards your goal. See that? Whenever we are fed up with Ielts, we are disappointed, we can't see the future clearly. We cannot see what is going to happen after the Ielts. Ielts is like a cloud. Once you complete this thing, once you go beyond this cloud, there is a heavenly life that is waiting for you. I mean, it's for us, for the people who live in Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Uzbekistan, and other countries. For us, life in Canada is more like heaven. Life in Australia is more like heaven. So, after this cloud of Ielts, there is something remarkable that is waiting for you. And those who can see beyond the cloud, in the presence of cloud, they are the people who can give their 100%. And these are those chosen people who achieve their goals in life. Everybody who is preparing for Ielts, you guys are watching my videos. I don't know how many views are there. If 1,000 views, 100 views, out of 100, 1,000 or 10,000, it's only 1% who are going to be successful. I'm sorry to say, not all. Many of you will fall by the wayside. Many of you will surrender. Many of you will give up Ielts. Many of you will blame Ielts. Many of you will blame Cambridge University, Ielts system, IDP, British Council and all that. And then they will go back what they used to do. But 1% of you, now those 1% are smiling now. Those 1% are fully determined. Now those 1% understand my message. And these people are going to comment positively as well. So this 1% is going to reach their destination. These people are going to hit their target, and these are the people who enlighten the names of their countries. These are the people, you can see them, they actually hold the flag of their country. They hold the torch in their hand and flag of their country, and they represent their country. How do you feel when you reach in Canada? Somebody says Pakistani engineer. Someone says Indian doctor. Someone says Bengali businessman. Someone says Nepali nurse and all that. If you want to get the name of your country with you, for that you need to do all that. I mean, how good this is going to sound when someone says, like when someone calls me Pakistani Ielts teacher, right? I've got many Indian friends, right? They call me Pakistani Ielts teacher. I feel good. When you are there, someone calls you Indian doctor, Bangladeshi engineer, Nepali scientist, or African nurse, African doctor, African. Like I've got some students in the country like Maldives. Now there's one country that is very close to India and China. I forgot the name. All right, it'll come to my mind, okay? So I've got students there, and you know how you're gonna feel marvelous about all these things, okay? So Bhutan is the country where you guys watch my videos. So you're gonna feel great about all these things, right? Greatness, I mean the distance between you and the greatness is just you've got to walk towards greatness. You've got to achieve greatness. And by the way, greatness is not something that you get. Greatness is something that you attract. You attract by becoming great person. How do you become great person? You do great deeds. You do something great in your life and then you attract greatness. We've got the examples of all the great people. Now in you, there is a tomorrow's doctor, there is tomorrow's engineer, tomorrow's scientist and all that. So if today you are going to work on your dreams, tomorrow your dreams will become reality. And if today you're going to fall prey to doubt, if you're going to victimize yourself, if you've got self-doubt, if you're going to fall prey to self-pity and all that, then you're not going to reach anywhere. One last thing I would say, please take your responsibility. Many of my students appear in Ielts test, get their desired band without going to any coaching center. They just watch my videos. They have a clear focus. They go through Cambridge Ielts books. Okay, they take practice tests and without anyone asking them to do so, they take their own responsibility and then they get their desired band and they fly to their destination country. I've been teaching Ielts for around 10 years now, more than 10 years, but then you start guessing my age, more than 10 years now. And thousands of students who watched my videos, who attended my classes, they have reached their destination and now they are very happy, enjoying beautiful, wonderful life there. So I want you in the next 6 months, many of you who are watching this video, in the next 3 months, next 6 months, next 12 months, I want you to reach your destination country and then you watch my videos from there. I feel happy when someone says, I was in India when I used to watch your videos and now I'm in Australia and I still watch your videos. The other day someone commented, I used to be in Indian Punjab when I started watching your videos and now I am in Canada but I still watch your videos. See that? I want this thing. I want you to change everything about you. And finally, I'm going to give you one piece of advice. This may change everything. This may give you increased motivation. Please do one thing. Your destination country. whatever your destination country is, you are going to buy a $10, euro, pound note of that country. If you're planning to go to Canada, Australia, 10 pounds, $10, America, 10 American dollars, UK, 10 British pounds. They don't have 10, they do have 10, 5, 10, 20 and all that, okay? If you're planning to go to any other country, you need to have a 10 bill of that country, 10 note of that country, and keep that note in your wallet, right? Don't spend it every now and then. Just take a look at that note, take it out of your wallet, keep looking at that note, turn it, see what is written on that and all that, and make a promise to yourself, once I reach my destination country, I'm going to do charity with this note. Or this note, this currency note will go to charity. And then you see, walking, sleeping, put that note, like you can have it behind the cover of your mobile, right? Sometimes there are the clear covers and you can put it there, or you can have it in your wallet or wherever you can see it every day. If there is a mirror in your house, you can put it there, kuch chori karke na le jaye kite, yeah, something like that, because these currency notes are expensive. So you got to watch it, look at it day and night. You got to reassure yourself that this is your destination, this is where you have to go. And by the time you reach your destination country, give that note to any beggar, to any charitable organization. There are beggars there as well. They are singing, ooh, 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 help, ooh, 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 singing and help me please. And then you can just help them there, right? So anyways, all these things are going to be fruitful if you're going to take action. I know many of you would have enjoyed watching my video, this video especially. Now, only 1% are going to take massive action in the direction of their goal, and they are going to make it. And the rest 99%, they are going to be as they were if your present is not different from your past. Believe you me, your future will never be different from your present. All the best. I also teach IELTS online all over the world and on campus here in Lahore. If you want to be the part of my online or on campus IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you all the best. I wish you your destination country. I wish you the nationality of your destination country. Take good care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.